Artificial intelligence is no longer scientific fiction. It is here, shaping the way we think, the apps we use on our phones, the content we watch, and even the jobs we do. And the good news, you don't need to be a coder or a data scientist to start learning this. Google has launched a new AI course for beginners. And in this video, I will walk you through what this course covers, why you should learn it, and how to get started immediately. But before we get in, let's be real. And here are some facts. AI is the new electricity. In fact, experts predict that by 2030, 70% of companies globally will adopt at least one form of AI, and that jobs that do not exist now will exist and will be powered entirely by AI, and that only those that understand AI will always be ahead. And that raises a serious concern for the future. Have you gotten the picture? Now, think of this. AI already writes emails in Gmail, translates languages instantly with Google Translates, and even recommends videos on YouTube. Now, the big question is, what will the future hold for those that doesn't understand AI? Therefore, learning the basics of AI is not just for the purpose of gathering knowledge, but it is very, very crucial and essential for your career and future. Here are what you will learn inside this course. This course will help you understand the fundamental of AI, that is, what AI actually is, and how it differs from machine learning and deep learning. This course will also help you to understand how AI is in your pockets, from photo recognition to voice assistance. This course will also give you an opportunity to experiment directly with AI models in your browser. You will also be taught the responsible side of the AI, like the fairness, the bias, and why all of these matters. You will also be given insight into how AI is already transforming industries, such as the healthcare, the finance, the educational system, and even the entertainment world. So you will be given opportunity to see what is happening with the use of AI in these industries. The most important question is, what makes this course unique? Or why should you take on this course? Okay, so let's talk about that. Among many other things you should think of when it comes to this course is the fact that this course is 100% free. It is free of charge, no hidden fee, no monthly subscription. Okay, it is actually free of charge. This course was also designed by Google experts, and these are the people that are shaping the future of AI. You can imagine that. It is also beginner friendly. So that means even if you don't have any experience, you can still learn this course and understand what you are learning. Okay, no experience is needed at all. This course is also interactive. You will not only be watching slides, rather you will also be given a chance to use AI during this training. And also, you will learn at your own speed. No one will control your time, so you will learn at your own speed and pace. Now, let me walk you through on how to sign up to start taking this course right away. Are you ready? Let's go. So after copying the link, you come to your browser and paste the link. After you paste the link, it will take you to this interface. What you're going to do next is, what can we help you with? You tap on that. Let's go with Grow My Career. You tap on that. Tap Grow My Career down here. Next, you tap on Topic in the middle here. Topic. Tap on AI. Click on View 17 in bracket. You tap on that. AI Essentials. You tap on this small arrow. Enroll for free. Starts August 31st. I tap on that. I'm going to use my Google account directly. Okay, continue. Now, this interface is here because they expect me to continue with them studying other courses after this free trial ends. That's the reason they are including this option. So if you tap on start free trial, after this course they are expecting me to continue. That's the reason they are giving me options here to fill my information so as to continue. You will fill your name, select your country. You now input your card details. After inputting your card details, you tap on start free trial. When you tap on start free trial, it will now take you to the interface where you are going to start your training. Okay, but this is what you are going to do. If you know that you are not going to further the training after this free trial, make sure that you finish this training within 7 days, because after 7 days, if you don't finish this training and cancel these accounts, they will charge from your card, because they are expecting that after that 7 days free trial period ends, that you will continue with them. So if you don't want to continue with them, you have to finish this training within 7 days and then cancel this. Because if you check down here, you're going to see the information. Say your subscription begins today with a 7-day free trial. If you decide to stop during the trial period, visit my purchase to cancel before September 8th, 2025, and your card won't be charged. We can't issue refund once your card is charged. So you have to finish this free course within 7 days. After that time, you now have to cancel it. They say you should visit my purchase. You will see my purchase. If you go to option here, then you cancel it. So once that is done, then they will not charge from your card. But if you fail to finish this course under 7 days and cancel it, they will charge you, and they will keep charging you after every month, hoping that you are taking other courses under these AI courses. I know that you and many others will be thinking of this question. After this course, what's next? What will happen next? Okay, and now here is the answer. Here is the best part of this course. 1. This course will not only be equipping you with knowledge, rather, you will walk away with practical AI skills that you can showcase on your LinkedIn. These skills that you will learn will also help you in all others of your digital endeavors. Secondly, you will be given a digital badge or certificate based on what you've selected to do during this course. After this course, you will have a stronger resume to apply for jobs in tech, marketing, business, and in research. This course will give you the confidence to move on to higher AI courses and advanced machine learning courses. Now, here is a pro tip. If you understand that you'll not be able to finish this course within 10 minutes or let's say 1 hour straight, you can bookmark the page so that while going back to it, it can be easier for you to access the page and continue from where you stop. Dear friends, to be honest with you, AI is not a future skill, rather, it is a right now skill. Those who learn AI today will always lead innovations, land high-paying jobs, and create smarter solutions for businesses. Therefore, don't wait. Start right now and take your first step toward mastering AI today. And there you have it. Google free AI course for beginners explained in just very few minutes. Check the description of this video to get the link to sign up for this course right there. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe so that you will not miss more AI hack and tech guides. And I would love to hear from you in the comments. What excites you most about AI? Let me hear your answer in the comment section. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.